Hey everybody, welcome back to Lifeline Financial. My name is Michael and today we'll be adding a new video in our series of Basic Finance. This series covers basic finance topics and get more complex as we go. If you think you're weak in some areas, if you're looking to learn about finance, this is the place for you. Please subscribe down below for future content. Today's topic we're going to cover, what is a budget? Budgets isn't something you only hear in corporate boardrooms. Individuals and families can have them too. Creating and using a budget is not just for those who are living tight and paycheck to paycheck. Even if you make more, you can benefit from the use of budgets. Budgets are designed to make you spending efficient, cutting away your wants, but keeping your needs. You may think, I don't need a budget, I pay my bills, I save money monthly, and you're probably doing pretty good with that. What happens though is that you become a victim of unconscious spending. What I mean by that is, think about going to the gas station and getting a tank of gas. And you may go inside and get you a soda, bag of chips. Those are small purchases, but those small purchases add up. Or think about it like this. When you go to work, you may eat out 3 times a week. That outing may cost you $8 a piece. And at the end of the week, that's an extra $24 you can do other things with. By building a personal budget, it's making what you do, but making you better. When sitting down, beginning to build a budget, you may think to yourself, with all this math, building a budget may be too much for me. And I don't think so. The most difficult thing in just dealing with finance in general is being able to sit down, look at your statement, and see where all your money is going. It gets pretty difficult seeing where those areas where you potentially wasted money and you could have did other things with it. Once you become self-aware of what you're buying, you also begin to see the opportunities and where you can cut back and do other things with your money. That's when you start seeing the beginning signs of life for your budget. What about what is a budget? A budget is not designed to have you struggle. It's not designed to have you eat ramen noodles or rice as your only meal. It's designed to have you understand what you're buying and where your money's going. So what I'll say is enjoy your money, have fun, make a budget. And if it's something outside your budget, well, it may have to wait till next month. But if it fits the budget, go ahead and purchase it and just save up for the future. Everybody, thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel. We do quality content that talks about finance. If you're looking to grow, this is the place for you. So like I said, please subscribe.